When it comes to improving your home, few upgrades have the same impact as new windows. They enhance energy efficiency, increase property value, and improve comfort inside your home. But one crucial factor often gets overlooked: installation. In the villages, professional window installation is more than a convenience. It's an essential investment that ensures you get the full benefits of your new windows. Precision that protects your investment. Even the highest quality windows can underperform if they aren't installed correctly. Small gaps, misalignment, or poor sealing can lead to air leaks, moisture intrusion, and reduced energy efficiency. Professional installers have the training, tools, and experience to ensure every window fits perfectly. This precision not only protects your investment but also guarantees that your windows perform as they should for years to come. Enhanced energy efficiency. The villages enjoys plenty of sunshine but also faces high heat and humidity. Without proper installation, windows can allow cool air to escape and warm, humid air to seep in, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Professional installation includes sealing and insulating the frames, reducing drafts and energy loss. This means lower utility bills, a more comfortable home, and less strain on your cooling system. Compliance with local building codes. Florida has some of the most stringent building codes in the country, especially when it comes to protecting homes against severe weather. Professional installers understand these requirements and make sure your windows are installed in compliance with state and local regulations. This not only gives you peace of mind but also ensures that your home remains protected and insurable. Improved home security. Windows are a common entry point for intruders, making proper installation vital for your family's safety. Professional installers ensure that locks, latches, and frames are secure and properly aligned. They can also advise you on reinforced glass or impact-resistant options, which are particularly valuable in areas like the villages that can be affected by storms. Longevity and warranty protection. Many window manufacturers offer warranties, but those warranties often depend on professional installation. Improper DIY installation can void coverage, leaving you responsible for costly repairs. Professional installers follow the manufacturer's specifications, ensuring your warranty remains valid and your windows last as long as possible. A stress-free experience replacing windows can be a big job, especially if you attempt it on your own. Professional installers handle everything, from removing old windows to cleanup, so you don't have to worry about the details. Their expertise minimizes disruption and ensures the project is completed on time and with minimal hassle. Tailored solutions for your home. Every home in the villages is unique, and professional installers take the time to understand your specific needs. They can recommend window styles and materials that complement your home's design, enhance curb appeal, and meet your budget. With expert guidance, you're more likely to end up with windows that truly improve your home's look and function. Final thoughts. Window replacement is one of the smartest investments you can make in your home, but the benefits depend heavily on how well those windows are installed. In the villages, where energy efficiency, weather protection, and property value all matter, professional window installation is not just recommended, it's essential. By choosing skilled experts, you'll enjoy greater comfort, lower energy bills, and peace of mind knowing your home is secure and up to code.